Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use Formatter by Zapier to clean and organize your data. Once you've created a Zap and set your trigger, click the plus button to add a new step. Search for Formatter by Zapier and select it. Here you can choose what you want to do. Use text to change or adjust text. Use numbers to do quick math or formatting. Asterisk, use date and time to change how dates look. Asterisk and use. Utilities for advanced options like splitting lists, for example. If your Zap sends a messy date or text, you can run it through Formatter, and it will instantly make it clean and easy to use. After that, you just continue your Zap as normal, and that's I've successfully used Formatter in Zapier. Asterisk, if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials just like this one.